Hey everyone, I'm on a roof cleaning solar panels. This is a detailed solar panel clean. What does that mean? That basically means because the amount of lichen and mold growing on the panels, they haven't been cleaned in a very long time. It's going to mean that I have to not only brush the water with a water-fed brush. This is what we use. It's our window cleaning equipment. We can use it on panels too. But I have to then also show you here, scrape every single section of panel. So if you look here, I'm now going to scrape each section here just to get all of that pollen off. These are glass safe scrapers that we're using. So now that the scraping has been done, we just basically finish off with brushing the panel again, and obviously rinsing it with our water-fed brushes here. So it's actually ending up into a very nice, you can see these three panels have been cleaned compared to what we got here. So that's basically what a detailed solar panel clean includes, which is slightly more expensive than a normal one. But as I have said to many customers over the period of time, if you're going to spend thousands, and I'm talking, generally upwards of 5,000 for most solar installations, and you're going to pay for that, and you're not going to maintain your panels, it's kind of pretty useless, because if the panels are dirty, they ain't going to absorb energy, which means you're not getting your return on investment. So there we go, folks. Hope that's useful.